Why is the ITV Hub not playing on my smart TV?
Hello, dear viewers. Today, we are going to talk about a common issue many of you have been facing: the ITV Hub not playing on your smart TV. It can indeed be frustrating, but don't worry, we're here to help you troubleshoot this problem step by step.
Is your internet connection stable?
The very first thing you need to do is check your internet connection. ITV Hub needs a stable internet connection to work properly. Check if other devices in your home are connecting to the internet correctly. If not, you might need to restart your router or contact your internet service provider.
Is your ITV Hub app up to date?
ITV Hub, like any other app, gets updates from time to time to fix bugs and improve performance. Make sure you are running the latest version of the ITV Hub app on your smart TV. Go to the App Store on your TV, find ITV Hub and see if any updates are available. If there are, install them.
Have you tried restarting the app or your TV?
Sometimes, problems can be resolved simply by restarting the problematic app or even the entire TV. Try closing and reopening the ITV Hub app first. If that doesn't work, turn your TV off and on again. This process can resolve many minor technical issues.
Are you in a supported region?
ITV Hub is available only in certain regions. If you are trying to access it from outside the United Kingdom, you may face some problems. Make sure you are trying to access the ITV Hub from a supported region.
Have you cleared the cache?
Another potential solution is to clear the cache and data of the ITV Hub app. This can be done through the settings of your smart TV, but the process may vary depending on the TV model and operating system. Check your TV's user manual or manufacturer's website for detailed instructions. And that's it. We've walked you through several possible reasons why your ITV Hub might not be playing on your smart TV, and how you can resolve these issues. We hope this guide helps you get back to enjoying your favorite shows on the ITV Hub. Remember, if you've tried all these steps and the problem persists, you might need to reach out to ITV Hub support or your TV's customer service. Thanks for watching, and happy streaming!